Hello guys, today I'm going to show you two ways you can open a Bybit demo trading account. If you have not downloaded Bybit, you can download Bybit from your application store and use my referral code VYBN8V in order to get up to $5,000 in bonuses and also get up to 5% discount on your trades, on your trading fee. So when you open Bybit, you are going to see this home interface. So the first thing that you will do is to look to this right side and click on more. You click on more. Once you click on more, the Bybit services menu is going to open, and from that services menu you are going to see some tabs like this one. I'm scrolling here, so you click on the trade tab. Once you click on the trade tab, you are going to scroll to this side of the screen and click on demo trading. So once you click on demo trading, you are going to wait for it to load. Once it loads, if you look to this side, you are going to see demo trading, and on the perpetual page you can see that we are looking at BTC. You can change between margins, you can switch between margins, you can switch to isolated margin, cross margin, or portfolio margin, but for the sake of this tutorial, let us work with cross margin. You can also adjust your leverage anyhow you want it. So maybe you just select a random number, and the available USDT in the futures contract is 100,000, 200 and $102. So $102,000. Sorry. So this one now is just your available USDT. Okay, and then you can switch between orders. Your order type, you can switch to limit or market order, anyone that suits you best. So for the sake of this tutorial, let us just work with 50 BTC. So you can add your take profit and your stop loss. So once we click on buy, okay, hold on. Okay, once we click on buy, you will see that we have already opened the position right here, and you can also share your proof of profit with your friends, although you are going to be seeing demo trading tag on it. All right, so the same interface is true for the spot trading platform, and you can see that we have $50,000 here. Actually, you are giving $50,000 as one BTC to trade with. You are always going to be giving one BTC. So whatever the price of BTC is when you are watching this tutorial is what will be your balance in BTC. So the same thing here, you can actually place your spot order here and buy on spot. Okay, so for your asset, you can see your total equity is 159,000. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, the price of BTC will affect your balance. You can request for demo funds, but you cannot add demo funds unless remaining balance is less than $10,000. So you have to blow your account down to $10,000 before that button will be able to work for you. Okay, so this is one way you can create a demo account on Bybit. Another way you can create a demo account is by using the favorite tool. So you will still start from this more button. The first thing is to click on more. Now if you look up, you are going to see my favorite. You can see that you can actually edit the favorite tools so that they will appear on this part of the starting page. Okay, so I click on more and I'll edit my favorite tool. So I'm actually going to choose between removing any one of these: Bybit and card, reward hub, invite friends, copy trading, trading bot, or deposit. So let me remove trading bot. So as you can see, I've been left a space in order to put the anyone that I desire. So I'll click on trade and I'll add demo trading. Okay, so now we have demo trading. I'll just click on done on this part of the page. Click on done. So from the home page of your original Bybit account, you can actually see demo trading here. So once you log in, you can simply just click on demo trading and go back to your demo trading interface. So as you can see, our trade is still running. Alright, so this is purely to practice your strategy. Setting up a demo trading account on other platform is actually difficult, but Bybit has made it easy for you to practice your strategy, whether you are trading break and retest or you are trading ICT. Bybit is a perfect platform for you to come and practice your strategies. So that will be it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll also leave a link in my description about how you can buy USDT on Bybit P2P. It is a very informative video that you don't want to miss. So go down to the description and watch that one too, so that you can be able to up your crypto trading game. That will be all for it. Stay safe, guys. Till I see you again.